Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a deal in HubSpot step by step using the latest 2025 interface. Whether you're managing sales pipelines, tracking leads, or just getting started with HubSpot CRM, this guide will make sure you can set up your deals perfectly every time. So, stick with me until the end to avoid the common mistakes most beginners make. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. From the main dashboard, navigate to the CRM section and click on Deals. This is where all your opportunities are managed. Next, click the Create Deal button, usually located in the top right corner. A new window will pop up asking for your deal details. Here's what you need to fill in. Deal name, make it specific, like Website Redesign Project, John Smith. Pipeline and stage, choose the correct sales pipeline and stage that match where this opportunity currently stands. Associated contacts and companies. Always link the deal to the right contact or company. This keeps everything organized and connected. Amount and close date. Enter the estimated revenue and expected close date to forecast your sales accurately. Owner. Assign the deal to the right salesperson or team member. Once all the essential fields are complete, you can add custom properties if your organization tracks additional details, like lead source, priority, or product type. Before you save, double-check everything. Accuracy here means smoother reporting and better pipeline management later. Now click Create or create and add another if you have multiple deals to add, and that's it. Your new deal will now appear in your pipeline, ready to be tracked and managed as it progresses through each stage. And there you have it. You've just created a deal in HubSpot using the latest 2025 interface. Following this process ensures that your sales team stays organized, your data stays accurate, and your opportunities are never missed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.